another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go with a moniker, aka Mix Master Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're about to teach you how to make a special cocktail. We're going to teach you how to make a Blue Mermaid. Got our drink out the way. Let's go with a recipe that it takes to make a Blue Mermaid. You got our UV Blue raspberry vodka. We have our pig baked coconut rum. And we have our Sprite. Now we got our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. And this recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of UV vodka, followed by 1/2 ounce of coconut rum. And we're gonna accompany that and fill it to the rim with Sprite. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect Blue Mermaid. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.